Okay, so I've been MIA and I'm actually kind of hiding in the corner because I have something to show you. Yes, it's going to be an empty apartment tour and also putting up this place together. Come along, let me show you what this is, okay? Welcome back to the channel. It's Rhodiya here. So yeah, it's been a minute. I've not spoken to you guys for a while, but I've been on a mission actually. Yeah, so I've been working on a project and I would like to show you guys right now some of the things that have been taking my time, and come back soon to show you the full details of what this is all about. Enjoy watching. See you pretty soon, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Okay, see ya.